Namaste guys. In this video, we are going to learn how to rig this in Blender. So I saw some videos on internet and some guy rig this. So I think that there is a better and simpler approach to rig this. So this is what I'm going to do in this video. So I'm going to do it first time in my life. So let's see how I should approach. So I can see I have a model. So I will select this, press H to hide it. Now this is how it looks like right now. So how should I approach? So I don't know how many you guys have watched my course. So the first thing that I clearly able to visualize that it contains a four bar mechanism. So this thing, it's a four bar mechanism. So this makes my works near about 80% complete. So let's make the four bar mechanism because there is nothing left much here. For those who don't know what is a four bar mechanism, please check out my course. I have explained there. So first I think I will select this, press tab, select these two, shift as cursor to be selected. Now I will place my bone here. So I will go here, object, click on add and add armature. Great. Now it's hiding behind it. Click on here, viewport display, click on in front. Great. Press G, sorry, go to the edit mode, press G a little bit here. But I want exactly in the center of it. So tab object mode, select this, select these two faces, shift as selection to cursor to be selected. Press 3 on your numpad if you have a numpad. Okay. Select this bone, tab, edit mode, select this, shift as selection to cursor, press E, extrude it. Great. Now select this, select these, okay. Select these two faces, shift as cursor to be selected, 3 on numpad, select the bone and go to the edit mode, add, add single bone. Select this, press R to rotate it. Now I want to be exactly here. What I can do, go to the object mode, tab, sorry, select this, tab, select these two faces, shift as cursor to be selected, 3 on numpad, select this, shift as selection to cursor, press E to extrude, select this, shift as cursor to be selected, select this one, shift as selection to cursor. So this is mostly 80% of work is done. We have near about rig this. Let me show you what I mean. So I will select this and this one. Control Shift C inverse kinematics. Sorry, no one. Select this and this one. Control Shift C inverse kinematics. So if I select this R, you can see I nearly got this, and 90% of work is done. 80-90% work is done. Now let's go to the step number 2. For those who are not able to get it inverse kinematics, you can also bring it from here, bone constraints in pose mode. Now I will go to the edit mode, select this, press E to extrude it. Select this by pressing shift like this, shift this one, select this, shift as section cursor, press E to extrude it, tab, select this, shift as cursor to be selected, 3 on numpad, select the bone, shift as selection cursor. If you are totally beginner, then you might face some issues. Now I will press E and Z, select this, right click parent, make it clear parent. Great. Now I will go to the pose mode, select this by pressing shift, select this one, control shift C, inverse kinematics. Okay, it's the wrong one. Select this first by pressing shift, select this one, control shift C, inverse kinematics. Now this is the correct one. So if I select this bone, press G, Y, okay, it's not moving this one. So I will go to the edit mode, select this bone by pressing shift, select this bone. I will press control P, keep offset, pause mode, select this, GY. Yeah, now it's working. This is what we are looking for. Now, before I move forward, let's what I can do is go to the edit mode, select all these bonds. I will press OK. Before I do something, make sure that I bring cursor to the origin. So shift S, cursor to world origin. Now select all the bonds. Press A to select all the bonds. Now press shift D, enter. Go here, change to 3D cursor. Press S Z -1. See how easy it was. Okay. Now let's see what I have to do is, now it's time the rigging part. So I will go to edit, uncheck the lock object modes. Now I think I have to do a little more task. Uh, for some reason, my you know middle uh, middle mouse button broke out. I don't know why it's happening. Now I will select this, press L, P by selection. So this will become separate part. Uh, Select this, press L, P selection. So this becomes separate parts. Repeat the step for this one. Press L, P selection. So this will become a separate part. Oh, it's working right. Okay. Now what I will do, I will select this by pressing shift. I will select this bone. First, make sure that you're in pose mode. Select this by pressing shift. Select this bone. Press Ctrl P bone. Select this one. I don't think that I have to do because it's already attached with this one, so no worries. I will cross verify it later onwards. Select this one, press shift and select this bone. Press Ctrl P bone. Repeat the step for this one. Ctrl P bone. Let's see if it's working or not. Select this GZ. Oh, sorry, GY. Yeah, it's working. Not bad. Select this by pressing shift. Select this one. Ctrl P bone. Now let's repeat the step for here as well. Select this. Press L. Okay. Select this. Press L. P selection. Select this. Press L. P selection. Select the blue part. Select this. Press L. P selection. Now select this one. Press L. P selection. Select this. Press L. P selection. Now what is left is basically just connected to the bone. So I will select this by pressing shift, select this one. Press Ctrl P bone. Select this by pressing shift, select this one. Ctrl P bone. Select this by pressing shift, this one. Ctrl P bone. And select this by pressing shift, select this one. Press Ctrl P bone. Now let's see if it is working or not. So I will select these two bones. Press G Y. It's working fine to me. There are some parts you can see that's moving around. No worries, I will fix it later onwards. Now one thing is, this one is not moving as per my requirement. So what I can do, I will go to the edit mode, click on here, add a single bone, select this R and rotate it 90 degrees. Select these two bones by pressing shift, select this one. Press Ctrl P, keep offset. Now what I will do, I will go to the pose mode, select this by pressing shift, select this bone, press Ctrl P bone. So if I select this bone, press GY, I am getting near about the results. Now some issues that I need to fix. So first, hide the armatures. Select this by press L, P selection. Select this L, P selection. Now by pressing shift, select these two. By pressing shift, select this at the last. Press Ctrl P, object. So this one is fixed. Repeat the step for these two. Press L, P, selection, Ctrl P, object. Now let's see if it's working properly or not. Or is there an issue? Press G, Y. There's some issues. I think opposite sides. Control 3. Hide this. Hmm, Select this. Press H to hide. They are not getting separate part. So we press L by pressing this one. Press OK. P selection. Oh my bad. Press Control Z, Control Z, Control Z, Control Z. So select this part. L, P selection. Select this. L, P selection. Now what I will do, I will select this part and this one. Press Control P, object. Repeat the step for this one. Control P, object. 3. Let's see, G, Y. Notice this one is fixed, but this one is not. So let's do this one as well. Hide the armatures. Okay, the issue is that this face becomes separated, but not the whole body. Okay, that's a weird issue. So I will select this and this one. Press Ctrl J to join them. Now select this L. Press P selection. Great. Select this L, P selection. Select this and this one. Press Ctrl J to make it one. Yeah, it's a single part. Great. Select this by pressing shift. This one. Press Ctrl P, object. This one. Press Ctrl P, object. You have to make a habit that your parts will not going to work properly sometimes. Press Alt H 7. Okay, 3 on my numpad. Select this part. Press H to hide. G, Y. Uh, Looks kinda good to me. There's still some parts that is, for example, pink dot and the blue dot. So let's fix them. Select this one. Press H to hide. Select this one. H to hide. H to hide. L, P selection. L, P selection. Alt H. Go to the object modes. Alt H. Select this. Hide. Select this one and this one. Control P, object. Select this one and this one. Press Control P, object. That's too good to me. This one. G, Y. There is a still issue with the blue one. Let's fix it. Hide this one. Select this L, P selection and select this by pressing shift. Select this one. Press Control P, object. Now press Alt H. Let's see if it's working or not. H. Select this 3 on numpad. GY. Yep, it's working great now. It's far simple mechanism than that I saw on YouTube, and I can see I make it in first attempt. The reason I am able to make it quickly is because I able to show that it contains a four bar mechanism. This one, this four bar mechanism is a very common thing in mechanical engineering. I'm a mechanical engineer in reality, so four bar mechanism is used everywhere. For example, your in-car engines, your hand pumps. There's a very less mechanism that I know that doesn't use four bar mechanism in our day-to-day life. So if you know the four bar mechanism, basically you can pretty much take majority of the mechanisms. You can take that this word as a word from my side. So you can see this is quite simple and easy, nothing sci-fi or complex. So I hope you guys learned something from this video. And if anybody want, project file, check out the link in description. It's totally free of cost, but I will really appreciate if you guys support me. I want to learn Unreal Engine and I don't have a good PC, so will really appreciate. So thanks for watching and have a great day. Namaste.